So hello everyone, it is Thursday. I am currently in the bathroom right now, going to brush my teeth. But today I canceled my gym membership. My Gym Shark stuff never coming, and also going to show you what I'm eating today. So I think today I'm just gonna make some waffles and some eggs. Yeah. Yesterday was pretty crazy. I legit walked basically an hour to get my cousin some cake, and it was a nice walk. I walked a lot, and because I haven't been doing much exercise, I actually like that I walked, and I think I'm going to walk some more today if I don't get an exercise in. I'm hoping to go to the gym today, so I might be able to get some exercise in. If I don't, then yeah, I'll just walk. Like legit, if I were to describe myself in a jacket, it's this. Like wow, just wow. I love it. Yeah, I love it. So my cousin and I are trying to build a bookshelf, and we're completely failing at it, as you can tell. Back with you guys. Ended up not going to the gym. I feel like that's gonna be the epic thing of the week. Just me not going to fucking gym. Because we got caught up doing stuff. Anyways, what else is up for this week? Yes, so I canceled my gym membership from back home, and I'm just gonna be going with my cousin. So yeah, I canceled my gym membership. I'm just gonna be going with my cousin, and yeah, maybe you guys will see her in my vlogs if she wants to be in my vlogs. So I got my Gymshark stuff like it got to the postal office like a week ago maybe, and I still haven't received my stuff. But it's because like they're doing redelivery and they're just being so freaking slow, and I hate the USPS postal service. I just really like I cannot with them. Thing that I want to get my body fat measured. If anyone knows where I can do that in the city, definitely in New York, in the city, definitely let me know. I have no idea, which is why I have not gone to do it, but I really want to do it because I want to know my body fat percentage. Because the more I research and just look at people's videos and stuff, the more I really don't want to rely on the scale to measure my progress. I know that I've built a lot of muscle, like I can see it, and I just know that if I keep relying on the scale, I might just continue to get disappointed, and I don't want to get disappointed, and I want to continue to do what I'm doing now, so I want to rely on other factors, and definitely measuring myself has helped me, but I also want to know like where I'm at in terms of like muscle and body fat and all that kind of stuff, because I don't know, it's just good to know. I think it's just a good measurement, and for me at least, it just helps me kind of keep things in track and see what I have to do and change to and kind of just adjust to get to where I want to be. So yeah, that's that. I don't know. I just haven't been as productive as I want to be, but I think I've done quite a lot. I try not to kind of. I mean, today, like as you guys saw, like we were fixing. It took us like 2.5 hours to fix the uh, bookshelf, and it was the most annoying thing ever. And then we got Taco Bell. I just got nachos. And again, like I'm not perfect, of course. And sometimes if I have to really like eat dairy, I'll eat dairy. I'm very, very strict about gluten now, just because I know that it affects my hands a lot. I hope you guys enjoy. And you stay tuned for the next one, because tomorrow I might have workouts up from the gym. So stay tuned for that. I'll probably post maybe like 4 or 5 o'clock, since I'll probably go to the gym really late. But if I do post, just be on the lookout for that. Be also on the lookout for a video of like music that I listen to and stuff. I have a mix of music, so I'll definitely like include that for you guys. Like I always am in the mood for different stuff, so just know that